Hello and welcome to ALLTO new update. How to create wall reinforcement for 3D objects or user-defined architectural elements. Firstly, I import IFC file that I received from user or architects. When you have an IFC file, just drag and drop it in ALLPLAN from Windows Explorer. Now, notice that when I hover over this object, my tooltip is telling me that this is a user-defined architectural element or 3D object. Click on ALLTO Wall PythonParts, then select 3D object or user-defined architectural element to open the interface. With the new feature update, ALLTO Wall PythonParts can recognize and create reinforcement for these objects and elements that you can see on the screen. Follow functions at PythonParts for architectural walls. ALLTO Wall PythonParts can recognize 3D slope objects and automatically create rebars. It also recognizes 3D elements above and 3D continuous wall elements. PythonParts can be also updated according to 3D object or user-defined architectural element change.